project. Gumagamit po kami ng mga corresponding personal protective equipment.
Kagaya po ng hard hats, safety goggles, hand gloves, protective vests, and safety shoes.
Isang hydraulic butt welding machine, meron po silang 4 major parts, which is, ito po, heating plate. Huwag na lang po masyadong dumikit kasi po mainit. Yan na po. Then, trimmer, carriage, and main control panel po.
Okay. Copy po.
Same.
Although for world scales, it's the copper. For world scales, the test was on plumbing heating. To see how to best connect it to the most.